Yeah. There's a boat over there. ¿Eso ya se vio? Vamos al boat a mirarlo. There's the guy over there.
Not too fast. Not too fast. Go, Ali. Go, go, go.
Ay, ya va a ir a cama.
No, Ali, go.
Voy a ir a la cama. Okay, so we're going this way then. I wanted to go that way. But we're going this way then. Look at that! Oh, we're going walking. Let's go here. Here. Okay, so I'm going this way to the water over there, but I think we're not gonna get wet because we never knew that we were gonna get wet. So I guess we're gonna get a little. Not that much because we're gonna wet the car. That's a boat. And that's like, I think that's the Mississippi River. This is the side of the Mississippi River, and there's the bridge. Yeah. It's only for the. Espérate.
No,
Okay.
Ali.
Okay, bye.